Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. In today's video, I have got you some very affordable pearl bracelet in single line, double line, seasoned stone, crystal stones. The combination of this pearl bracelets is really very beautiful, in which pearls of very good quality are used and pearls of different shapes like round shape, button shape can be seen along with uneven shaped pearls, which are all available at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. Now in this festive season, if you wanted to give something very affordable to your family and friends and your budget was up to 10,000 rupees only, then you should definitely explore this bracelet range at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. Moving ahead towards the first pearl bracelet that I have got for you guys is this one. In this we can see that the pearl shape is round and also the shine of the pearl is so brilliant. In Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond, all the gems and pearls sold are tested and certified by the Gemological Institute of India. Price of this is 3,000 rupees, and like you can see, the base is made of a silver alloy. Even silver alloy base which is used here is of a very fine quality and the closure is pretty sturdy. I am showing you this piece from front, how does it look like, and also you get a very nice packaging. So during this Diwali, if you want to gift something to your family which is falling within a budget of 5,000 rupees, then you can go for this kind of pearl bracelet which looks very nice and beautiful. You can contact the WhatsApp number to see more varieties in this kind of pearl bracelet. Moving ahead towards the second pearl bracelet is this one. You can see we have three lines of pearls here and the pearls are in beautifully peach color which are shining so very beautifully, and the closure is also very royal with a jali kind of a pattern that I am showing you, which you can easily open. So it's a very easy thing which anybody can wear, and pearl is something that anybody of any age group can wear. That's the beauty of wearing pearl jewelry. And look at the way it shines. Price of this is just 1,800 rupees. So for 1,800 rupees, you're getting this triple layered pearl in peach color which is looking brilliant and which you can carry on your Indian looks, Western looks, gowns, parties, all of that. I think this is a very beautiful piece which you can give to your wife or your family members during this Diwali, which they will definitely love. Moving ahead towards the next pearl bracelet is this one, which is coming in double layer. Button shaped pearl is there and little bit uneven pearls can also be seen. And then you see this kind of crystals which are in red color. So this contrast color is actually going very well in this bracelet. If you want, you can also customize this. You can add a pearl pendant in between, or you can add any other pendant in silver alloy base, and the back of this closure is also very sturdy. Price of this is just 800 rupees, which is unbeatable and unmatchable. I'm showing you how it looks like holding this on my hand, which is looking brilliant and very beautiful to see. I'm going to wear this and also show it to you guys. Just look at the beauty. It is looking very nice on my mehendi as well. I think any bride can also wear this kind of pearl bracelet on their wedding day. Not only pearl bracelet, I think pearl jewelry goes well for brides also. This is the next pearl bracelet. In this we can see that the button shaped pearls are actually given a very fine kind of a look, which is looking like a very beautiful firm belt kind of a pattern in double layer button shape. White pearls are used, and towards the corner we can see the small balls, and these small balls are made of silver alloy base, and then the base and the closure is also very royal when compared to the other pearl bracelets that I have shown you. Price of this is just 2,000 rupees. I like the piece because of the way this is designed in a very smart way, which is giving you a very beautiful nice look which you can carry on your trousers, on your gowns or your salwar kameez. All of that will make you look very smart is what I feel about this pearl bracelet. Let me know what do you feel about this piece in the comment section down below. This one is a very beautiful pearl again. We did not disturb the pearl the way it was growing. The pearl shape is uneven, like you can see. There are pearls like this also which are in uneven shape. So we have gathered those kind of uneven pearls and we have given it a very beautiful bracelet kind of a design. So there are only a few people which will understand the beauty of this bracelet, which is so very nice and it is untouched. It is not kind of going through any kind of chemical process to change the shape or the size, which is really very nice in this pearl bracelet. Just look at the length, the way it is uneven. The beauty of this is in its simplicity. The base is made of 92.5 sterling silver, which is of a very good quality. Price is 3,750 rupees. I totally love this timeless bracelet, which is untouched and a very beautiful piece. Well, that's it for today's video, and I have shown you some very beautiful collection of pearl bracelets at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. Be it this uneven pearl which is in elongated shape in peach color, which is untouched with its beauty and the way it is designed, or the round pearl or the button pearl, all these pieces are very nice to see. And an advantage that you're getting right now is currently you can use the coupon code Diwali25 to avail up to 25% off on pearl and gem jewelry. And if you purchase anything about 12,999 rupees, you're also getting additional offer here, which means you're getting a gold coin of 0.2 grams for free of cost, which is a very nice deal which you cannot find outside. So I really want you guys to explore these two offers when we are talking about the pearl and gemstone jewelry. However, you also have additional discount in silver idols and silver items at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. You can use coupon code Diwali15 to avail up to 5 to 10% off on silver items. So this is about the offers which you can avail only online. So you have to do this purchases online to get this offers. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this very beautiful pearl bracelets from Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell icon so that you get notification of a new video or an upcoming offer. Also, we do deliver our products internationally. You can contact the WhatsApp number to know how to do that. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.